Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're grilling up some ostrich steak with a blue cheese onion sauce on the PK grill. So the first thing that we want to do is to prepare the blue cheese onion sauce. So here are the steps. The first thing that we need to do is cut the ends of 2 yellow onions. Then you want to peel them and remove the core, and then we're going to slice them lengthwise into thin slices. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of butter into a hot saute pan. Then we're going to add the onion. We're going to season the onion with 1 tablespoon of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. And then we want to caramelize the onion while stirring for 10 to 15 minutes until we have a good, nice brown color. When the onions are caramelized, we're going to add half a cup to a cup of heavy whipping cream. Then we're going to crumble a cup of blue cheese and let it melt. When the blue cheese is melted, the sauce is ready and you can set it aside. Now the blue cheese onion sauce is ready, so now let's start seasoning the ostrich and let's throw it on the PK grill. We got 2 beautiful ostrich steaks, and as you can see, ostrich is super lean. We're gonna season both steaks with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost, and then we're gonna let them sit for half an hour. Now it's time to light up the PK grill. We're gonna fill a chimney starter with some charcoal. We're gonna use a couple of fire starter to get the chimney starter going. And when you can see the flames on top of the chimney starter, dump the charcoals into the PK grill. Now we're gonna place both steaks on the grill, and we're gonna grill them for 2 to 3 minutes per side. We're gonna spray them with a little bit of duck fat to keep them moist. And you wanna make sure that you don't overcook the steaks. We are gonna remove them when they hit 120 degrees and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're gonna place the sauce on a plate and thinly slice the ostrich steaks and place on top. Then these beautiful grilled ostrich steaks with a blue cheese onion sauce are ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled ostrich steak with a blue cheese onion sauce on the PK grill. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. That ostrich looks lean, it looks amazing. So here we go. Oh. The sauce is creamy, rich. The ostrich cooked to perfection. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.